And you're bringing it to the forefront. You're bringing it to the attention of nonprofits, to the real estate community, to the financial community, to donors on what a great tool this is for each one of those. So let's start with the donors. What are the benefits to the donors when they give a gift of real estate?
Well, we will talk about the taxes. Of course, there are significant tax benefits, but let me just start out by saying the people that we're looking for are the ones who really want to leave legacy. The ones who have reached their 60s, 70s, 80s, they are cash conservative and asset rich. Cash conservative, asset abundant. And they simply want to be a bigger benefit to the world. They are just as passionate as you and I are about your mission, but they don't have the time and talent. They got the treasure. So they do it because it's the right thing to do. And to answer the big question, what are the tax benefits? Well, the tax benefits are two that we talk about the most, and we want to tell you we are not CPAs or financial advisors or attorneys. You definitely need to get their input on this. But the overarching conversation is no capital gains on that which is donated, and they can take their write-off off of their adjusted gross income using the appraised value as the basis for that write-off. So in this scenario, they're able to write off the commission and expenses to have the property fixed up, et cetera, et cetera. So reach out to us and we'll tell you exactly what your specific tax benefits are based on your basis and your tax bracket.